How to remove customer account login link on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to remove the customer account link or login link into your specific Shopify store. Basically, you are going to see these type of accounts set up into the checkout. So for example, if you're going to have here a checkout, like in any case in here, so we're going to have a virtual checkout in here. So we are going to head over our Shopify account. We're going to buy now, for example, something, and we're going to have it just like this. So this is sold out. We are going to have something else instead, and we are going to have it just like that. So let's choose this one, for example. I'm going to buy it now to get there to the cart. And as you can see, this is going to be the login at the checkout. How we can remove this from the Shopify store of ours. We're going to head over to shopify.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the specific admin dashboard of our account. Now, what are we going to do is to head over the settings of this account by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom in here. So this procedure is going to be related to the specific customer accounts. So we are going to head over here and we're going to basically here search for the customer accounts. Click on here on customer accounts, and now we are going to see the login links. So you can see that we have a show login links. So basically this feature will allow you to show login links in the header of the online store and also at the checkout. The online store is going to be the specific portal or the specific favicon of the person that will help you to log in into your account on Shopify. So you're going basically here to remove that or untick that, and it is going to be saving automatically this. So when you are going to visit your Shopify store, you're going to see here that we have this. Basically, it is not going to let you because it is going to take a little bit of time to, let's say here, not show up from this specific area. And if you're going to have here to set up the checkout, you're normally not supposed to see it anymore just like that. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.